Welcome to the channel. Today we will be replacing the battery on a BMW X5. The battery is completely dead, so the trunk will not open. First, let's go ahead and check the voltage. 1.57 volts. With 1.57 volts, there just isn't enough power to release the trunk lid. To manually release it, you will have to crawl inside the vehicle and pull the black plastic tab that is located on the passenger side rear trunk lid. Simply pull this. Unfortunately, you will still need power to release the bottom trunk deck. Let's go ahead and use the jump starter to get power to the vehicle. I was able to release the rear trunk deck by connecting a portable power booster under the hood. Battery is located under the spare tire and the rear suspension air compressor. Use the hook located under the cover to hold it up. Remove the spare tire. Release the winglet. Use the handle to pull out the spare tire. Connect this portion to the end of the tailgate and use the tailgate as leverage. Okay, I have the handle connected to the tailgate deck and just pull on it to pull out the spare tire. For safety, there is a plastic piece. Disconnect that like this so the deck does not snap back. Pull out the spare tire. To get the compressor out of the way, you have to remove 4 bolts. They are 13 millimeters. To remove the battery, you want to first disconnect the breather line. Use a 10 millimeter to disconnect the negative. Open the cap and use a 10 millimeter to disconnect the positive. Then you want to use a 10 millimeter to loosen the hold down bracket. Then pull out the battery. I'd like to point out that there are 3 different battery hold down positions. The OEM position is in position number 1. The distance between 1 and 2 is 1 5/8 inches. This is important if you decide to buy a shorter length battery. The battery I'm replacing is an OEM battery. Here is the part number. The length of this battery is 13 3/4 inches. The new battery arrived from FCP Euro. The group is 94R. The size is H7. It is an AGM battery. Let's go ahead and open up the box. The length of the new battery is approximately 12 1/4 inches. Here is the difference in length between the OEM and the new H7 94R battery. Let's check the charge right out of the box. 13 volts. Install the battery hold down in the second position. Because this is an AGM battery, you do not need to connect the vent hose. Make sure you connect the positive cable first and then the negative. All finished. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.